Hi, everyone. This is Nicole Brown from the Insight team, and I'm going to walk you through the newest advanced course features today. The purpose of the feature is to support you in uncovering potential inequities in advanced programming. For middle schools, advanced courses include honors courses and middle school accelerated courses. Accelerated courses allow students in eighth grade to earn high school credit in various departments by enrolling in and passing a middle school accelerated course in the culminating Regents or World Language exam. The first section in this feature is the school-wide summary. The number of advanced courses by year chart shows you all the advanced courses your school has offered in the most recent 5 years. In this purple heat map, each row represents an advanced course the school has offered in the past 5 years, including the current year. When you hover over or click any of the purple cells, you'll see an explanation that tells you the percentage and number of students enrolled in the course in that year. For example, when I click on this cell, it tells me that in 2021 to 2022, 112 students, or 9% of students in the school, are enrolled in math, middle school honors. The color varies depending on the percentage of students enrolled in that course by that year. A blank cell means that the course is or was not offered in that year. For the schools that offered many advanced courses, there's a scroll bar on the right that allows you to see all of the courses in the heat map. Below the purple heat map are two line charts. The first one shows you the number of advanced courses the schools offered over the years. The second one shows you the number of students who are enrolled in at least one advanced course each year. You can use the radio button above and to the right to filter the list to include only middle school accelerated courses at your school. This second section is course details, which contains 3 visualizations in total. By default, the charts on the page show data about all of your advanced courses rolled up together, broken down by racial subgroups. Use the drop-down menu for choosing the course or courses you want to see. You can choose to look at all of your accelerated courses, or you can choose to look at any advanced course individually. The school enrollment compared to enrollment in advanced courses set of charts allows you to discover any disproportionalities between the overall school population and students enrolled in advanced courses. As you can see, the dashed line shows the percentage of students in a subgroup in the school population, and the solid line shows the percentage of students enrolled in the selected course from that subgroup. Each school has a different population of different subgroups. So the height of the dashed line representing the school population has neither a positive nor negative connotation. Ideally, for each subgroup, the solid and dashed lines will be very close together. This indicates that the percentage of students of a certain subgroup in the school is similar to the percentage of students of that subgroup in the course. If the points for a given year are more than 10% different from each other, that typically denotes disproportionality. For example, looking at the Hispanic or Latinx subgroup, you see that in 2021 to 2022, students in this subgroup make up 75% of the school population and 60% of the students enrolled in middle school ELA accelerated course. Please note that Insight uses overlapping racial groups, which means that in this section, the same student might be represented in multiple charts. For example, if a student identifies as Black and Latinx, that student will be counted in both charts. Therefore, if you add the percentages of students in all racial groups, the sum may add up to more than 100%. To remove a subgroup, you can click the minus sign. You can also click the Remove All Subgroups minus sign below to remove all the subgroups on the screen at once. For instance, if I want to only focus on my L students, I could click the Remove All button to remove all the default racial subgroups. Then I would click Add a Subgroup and choose L. This allows me to compare their enrollment in this course and in advanced courses. If the total number of students enrolled in the course is 10 or lower, you'll see a note indicating this. So on to the next section. So this next section is for students enrolled in advanced courses compared to students not enrolled. This chart compares the percentage of students in different subgroups that are enrolled in an advanced course, which is the solid line on the bar, alongside the percentage of students in different subgroups not enrolled in an advanced course, which is the hashed portion of the bar. The total of the two portions covers 100% of the students in that subgroup. The first bar represents all students at the school. There's also a select grades checkbox here at the top. And by default, the chart includes all grades in your school. You can choose which grades you want to view by selecting and deselecting the checkboxes. If the solid bars are about the same length across the different subgroups, it means students in those subgroups participate in the selected course at a similar rate. If the total number of students in a subgroup is 10 or lower, you'll see a note indicating this. To see which students of a particular subgroup are enrolled, click the solid bar. To see which students are not enrolled, click a hashed bar. You can move to other sections of Insight, taking the student list with you. Or you can download it as a CSV file. Similar to previous visualizations, you can remove and or add subgroups here. So in this next section, you'll see students enrolled in advanced courses who earned high school credit. This chart will show what percentage of 8th grade students earned high school credit last year from an accelerated course. This chart will only appear for accelerated courses. As mentioned before, 8th grade students can earn high school credit by passing an accelerated course and the Regents or World Language exam for that course. Since Regents exams are given at the end of the school year, this chart displays data from the previous school year. If students of all races earned high school credit at the same rate, the bars will all be the same length. You can click on any bar for an explanation. Similar to previous visualizations, You can remove and or add subgroups here. And that concludes the walkthrough of the Insight Advanced Middle School Course by Race feature.